There are two sections in this video. 1. How to install the solar charger controller. 2. How to install street light features, dusk to dawn. See the compatible devices. Prepare the materials we need for installation: battery bank, inverter, solar panel with 300 watts. Secure the charge controller in the flat surface. Connect the battery first to the charge controller. Battery input location. Now, install the solar panel terminal. Turn on the isolator switch. And now the solar charge controller is properly installed and working. Let us proceed to our second video on how to install street light features, dusk to dawn. This is DC light bulb 12 volts. Install the wire to the load terminal. Now, adjust the settings in your charge controller and read the manual for more information. Press the OK button to search the settings needed. Look for the gear button, the load and the letter M icon. Press the menu button for 3 seconds to enter setup. If the gear is blinking, you can now change the settings. Press OK button and change it to 1, which is equal to dusk to dawn load activation. Press menu button to confirm the change. Change is accepted and the gear stop blinking. Now let us test the setup. Press the menu button for 3 seconds to activate the load. And press the menu again button for 3 seconds to disable the load. Now wait for the sundown. The dusk to dawn will activate if the icon will change to moon. 1 Solar X. Build your solar energy.